Hi, it's Jess from Cook with Jess, and today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. This video is inspired by Dangerous Beans 69, who commented saying they wanted to see us make cookies, and here we are making cookies. Now, make sure you've washed your hands before you do any baking. To make the cookies, you will need 230 grams of melted butter, 220 grams of brown sugar, 200 grams of caster sugar, 2 large eggs, half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 312 grams plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 350 grams of chocolate chips. They can be milk chocolate or dark chocolate, but we're using mostly milk chocolate and a few dark chocolate. We need to preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. First of all, take your sugars and pour them into a large bowl. Now take your melted butter. Once you've put in all these ingredients, grab a whisk and whisk together until smooth. Now this looks like a good consistency. Next, add in your eggs and vanilla extracts. It should be a nice, smooth consistency and light. This is how it should be looking. Now fold in your plain flour and your baking powder. Keep doing this until it forms a nice doughy texture. Now this really does give you a very good arm workout. It should now be looking like this. Now take your chocolate chips and fold them in so they're evenly combined. Once you have combined all the ingredients together, making it look like this, you now need to take your baking tray, an ice cream scoop, take a nice big scoop and moulding it in to scoop with your hands and place on the tray. We're going to be putting 6 on this tray because they need to be evenly spread out, so when they melt down into their cookie shapes in the oven, they don't get all stuck together. Just press down on the tops so the tops are roughly flat. You can pretty much make these any size you like. Oh, hello Tills! We have a visitor. I think someone wanted to eat the cookies. Once you've filled the tray up like this, making sure there's still space for them to expand, put these in the oven for 12 minutes. Take another tray and fill the tray up until you have no mixture left. You can also put the blobs on another tray and freeze them for up to a month if you've made too many. Oh, they're done. Now, once you've let them cool down, grab a spatula-like thing and scoop them up. Which one should we have? I think this one or this one, definitely. Oh, that looks delicious. Grab a plate and serve up. Oof, yeah. Look at that. Smells delicious. Right, ready? So these have been in for 12 minutes and they're still a little gooey inside, but I quite like them like that. If you like them a little bit harder, you can leave them on in for a little longer. As you can see, Dangerous Bean 69 made this video happen. So if you have any ideas, make sure you comment down below what they are and we'll try and make it happen for you. Also, go over to our Instagram at secular_productions and follow us. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, turn on the post notification bell and like this video.